Spin.
Maganda na yung team nila. But of course, additional big guy will surely help them.
So tingin mo kung may isipan ng Talking Text to, magandang idea to, boss. Lalo pa yung Pure Foods, nagpalaki. Kinuha si Mick Pinisi, tapos yung San Miguel.
Yes.
Mukhang si Penny.
Kasi if you look at the trend right now, malaking factor talaga may big guy. Not only big guy ang pinaka-importante ngayon. That will turn around the team eh. Just like what I did during my tenure as a coach. Kasi nagko-command pa rin siya kahit paano ng double teaming niya. May special attention sa kanya. Especially itong Talking Text with their shooters and their guards. I think malaking factor talaga yan.
So tingin mo pag may asita wala ba doon, wala na silang sakit ng ulo sa mga Junmar, mga...
Well, at least magkakaroon ng parang complete team na sila. Masasolve na yung problem nila. Minsan kasi sinuk Talking Text na out-muscle sila na talaga mga big guys eh. They just have very athletic big guys. Pero ngayon, pag sinabi natin big guys sa TV, yan yung mga 6'8", 6'9", pataas na kagad yan eh.
Tsaka, ano ho ba pa nagkaiba, boss, ng elimination tsaka ng playoffs, boss? Tingin mo, medyo mahihirapan yung mga big men itong Talking Text sa playoffs pagka nag-impose na? Tingin mo?
Hindi naman. Of course, knowing Coach Jong Yuchiko tsaka si consultant Tap Williams, they'll find ways to offset yung anong yan eh. Yung major, what we can call disadvantage because they have a smaller lineup. But with their quickness and veteran skills of Talking Text players, I think magagawa ng paraan yan eh.
Pero parang guarantee for them, ano? Ng
for surely, if Asi will be with Talking Text, mapapadali yung ano nila, yung mga games nila.
Pero tingin mo, it's about time na i-reunite yung Asi sa mga Alapag and Harvey Carey, yung championship team nila.
You know, maganda yan. I think everybody's dreaming of that, na at least magkaroon sila na last hurrah for them to play together as a team. Dahil, tignan mo, imagine mo kung nandun si Asi, tapos ang form mo is Ranidel, o kaya si Jay Washington. Napakalakas ng team na yan. Kompleto na yan.
Oo nga. Okay.
And they're gonna be really scary.
So, pwede dito matuloy yung pwedeng Grand Slam yun, yung lineup na yun,
Yeah. Of course.
Opo. Pero ikaw, boss, anong comment mo, anong tingin mo rito sa nangyari sa NLEX? Nag-struggle sila. This was the same team that you handled and steered to the semis and quarterfinals of the two conferences.
Siguro naman, they're still adjusting with one another. And they're still adjusting with their present coach.
Yung Talking Text, yan ang pinaka-best, well-rounded na team sa tingin ko.
Opo.
Kahit sa ang posisyon, sa loob, sa labas, sa offensa, sa depensa, ang tingin ko Talking Text is the most well-balanced team.
Pero ikaw ba, boss, hindi ipinapanalangin mo na wag maisipan ng Talking Text na kunin si Asi kasi big man din ang kulang nila, di ba?
Hindi malayong maisipan nila yon at marami namang marunong at magaling sa kanila mag-isip. So, hindi ko lang alam kung papayag yung NLEX at paano nilang gagawin yung paikot ng trade na yun.
Pero pag nangyari yung super formidable na sila niyan?
Ay, syempre, lalo pa.
Sana wag maisipan, Okay, go on.
Sinabi mo na eh. Hindi naisipan na nila yan.
Spin.